Hello everyone, my name is Procheta Mallik. I'm one of the co-founders of ThinkTac. Over the last 5 years, one of the things that we've done in detail is create competency-based education workbooks. These have been inspired by the need in India for case-based study questions, as well as various things in the NEP recommending that that's how our assessment should move. So we were even approached by CBE to write 10 books in science and maths for 6th to 10th standard case-based questions and competency-based education workbooks. Over the last between 2020 and 23, that is what we did. And over the last couple of years, we've been implementing this in schools and classrooms and reaching out with them to as many people as possible in India. These books are also published on the CBE website, so they're available on the website. And we have print editions here, which are available through ThinkTac on our website or by contacting us. And the advantage with the workbooks is that you already have a print edition ready, and they also contain the solved example and the technique to solve the questions that are there inside. So each book in science and maths is divided into 7 themes, the 7 most relevant and important themes for that particular grade, and 2 to 3 case studies in each theme with 3 to 4 questions. So there's more than 1,000 questions in these 10 books, and I'm sure it will be very valuable for children and as well as teachers to study competency-based education techniques and workbook examples for children in middle and high school. So this is ThinkTac's CBE workbooks.